In this quick tutorial, we will learn how to create a new folder on your desktop or laptop. We will also learn here how to move different files into that folder. There are different ways to do it. We will learn all of these, and I will also tell you how to delete that folder. So let's start this quick tutorial. First of all, right click with your mouse and go to new. Okay, in new, select folder, and that's it. Here you can see a new folder has been created. You can also rename this folder if you want. You just right click on this, and here you will see option to rename. Rename this folder like anything. For example, songs. This has been renamed. Now suppose I want to move this file, okay, into this folder, new folder, songs. So select this file and right click on this and use copy. There are two different ways to do it. If you select copy, then it will be copied here, and then select it, right click on this songs folder and just paste. So it has been pasted. Two copies will be created. Here you will see the original copy, and another copy has been saved in this new folder of songs. There is another option of moving any file into the folder. Suppose you want to move this file into this songs folder. All you need to do is just click on this and click on the left button of your mouse and drag it. You can see here move to songs is written here, and just release that left button of your mouse. This has been moved to this songs folder. You can see here by double clicking on this, both of these files have been placed here. Okay, so is there any other option? Yes, as we have seen, we can copy and paste, we can drag and drop, and another option is cut and paste. Suppose this time I want to move it, so I am just clicking on this, right click on this and cut it. Okay, and after that click on this songs folder, right click and paste. So what will happen, actually this file has been removed from here because we have used cut and paste. So if we use copy paste, then the original file is copied and we paste it into the new folder, and if we use cut, then the original file will be removed, will be cut from that place. And third option was to drag and drop. So now we know different three options. You can see double clicking on this what's inside this new folder of songs. All three items are here. Close this window. Now suppose I want to delete this folder, so just select this folder with the left button of your mouse and right click on this. There is an option of delete, but keep it in mind that if you delete this folder, everything that is contained in this folder will be removed. Okay, so delete this folder. Let's click. So this folder has been deleted. One more thing, if you have accidentally deleted this folder or any file, then you can see the recycle bin. Okay, open the recycle bin, and here you will find this folder, songs folder. So what you can do, right click on this and click on restore. So it will be removed from the recycle bin, and you can see this songs folder has reappeared. Okay, so in this way you can easily create a new folder, move files to this folder and delete it. If you have deleted it accidentally, you can restore it. So friends, if you found the video useful, then please click on the like button and share it with others. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Quick Hacks Hub. Thank you for watching.